Hello guys, welcome to Android Studio tutorial. In this particular tutorial, we are going to learn how to start a new activity when you click on a button in the main activity. For this tutorial, we are going to start with a brand new Android Studio project. Let's start with a new Android project. Let's call it as Hello World Tutorial. Click on the next. Select empty activity and click on next. Let it be the main activity and finish. Now Android Studio builds your project. It takes some time. Wait for it to completely build the project. Okay, now that the project is completely built, we shall create another activity, a new activity, empty activity. Let's call it as activity 2 and finish. In the main activity, let us create a button so that when we click on that button, a new activity will be started. It is our activity 2. Let us remove this hello world text view. Add a button, drag and drop. Let's change the text in it. Go to activity 2. Let's change the ID also. Go to activity 2 button. Go to activity 2 button. And let's change the layout file of activity 2. Let's add an text here. Let's change the text to this is another activity. Let's change the size of it. 24 PSP. Okay. Now let us add an action listener to the button in main activity class file. Button that we have created is the ID of the button is go to activity 2 button, copy that. Now set on-click listener to that button. When we click on that button, we need to start the new activity, which is activity 2. So we are going to create a new intent variable for this. Intent is the one which realizes of starting a new activity from the present activity. Let's create a new intent value. Okay. And from this, we need to navigate from this activity to activity 2. Now we need to start activity with this intent. Okay, I think we're done. We'll run this application on a virtual device. Okay. Okay. Now when we click on this button, the second activity should be opened. Click on this. This is another activity. This is how you start a new activity from the current activity.